So we'll just wind that all the way around, and then anything that's sort of left over, we're just going to tuck it into the sack. Okay. Right, so hello everybody, hope you're all well. Welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a special guest today.
Hello.
I'm at Kate's house. Now, some of you may already know that Kate is getting married this summer. So today I'm back with a really exciting video. We're going to be doing some DIY wedding decor, especially for it.
I know, I've been really looking forward to this one since you said about it last year. I was like, yay!
So Kate's bought a few bits and we're going to give them a little refresh, upcycle kind of vibe. So we thought we'd share them with you because even if you're not getting married, these could be some really nice ideas for maybe around the home, for springtime, in the garden, that sort of thing. So we'll get straight into it. Over on Kate's channel we're going to be doing a homeware haul, so if you do like your home decor and that kind of stuff, we've got a haul over on Kate's channel for you, so I'll link that in the description box down below.
Yes.
Right, should we get cracking with the rose bush?
Yeah, and you could do it if you have a little party or people over.
Oh, that's it, any occasion. Yeah, of course. Christenings.
Yeah.
What else is there? Birthdays. Just a summer garden party.
Fundraising.
Yeah. We love a celebration, don't we?
Barbecue.
Yeah.
A nice arrangement.
So we've got this rose tree to start with. This is a 4-foot tree. Where did you find this?
Home Bargains.
Oh, very, very nice. So it comes in a pot, as you can see. It's a nice solid tree, and it's got these creamy coloured,
yeah, they're cream.
White,
yeah, definitely.
Roses on them.
Yeah, like off-white cream, I suppose.
Yeah. So really nice piece as it is.
Yeah.
But we thought we'd add a couple of bits to this. So the first thing we thought we would do is we're going to use one of these jute sacks, do you call it?
Yeah. Can I just snip this tag off?
Yeah, let's get rid of that.
It comes to the wedding and I'd be like, there's a tag on the tree. And I missed it.
So while Kate's doing that, I'm going to fold this over. Oh yeah, how much are these? Yeah.
That was what I was going to say as well as saw the tag. My face might have gone a bit weird while you were talking. $16.99 for this
right.
tree.
Okay, that's good, isn't it?
$16.99. Yeah, almost £17.
So this obviously has its design on it, but we won't worry about that. In an ideal world, get some plain ones, maybe from Amazon or eBay, or you can buy some of the fabric.
I've actually bought 12 of these from Poundland for this, what we're doing, but I think they are plainer. You gave me this one at Christmas.
Oh right, yeah.
With presents in.
Little
so
recycle.
I think the ones I bought that are somewhere in the loft are a lot plainer, but I couldn't find them, I couldn't dig them out.
Okay.
So
what we're going to do is just fold that over on itself, and then we're going to pop it in. Yeah, like that. So you'll get the idea. So that is going to be, maybe add some newspaper down here, bulk that out a little bit, and then we're just going to tie a ribbon around that once we've finished. So that'll be the base.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect. So we're going to add a few more bits to the tree itself. The first one being this, what do we call that?
Is it, I want to say
foil?
I was going to say foil. Yeah.
There we go. So this is a piece of fabric that, yeah, is that a curtain? What is this? Where did you find it?
I got it for free. It was from a car boot sale, and the lady was getting rid of everything. Everything was free. It's a lady called Marie, and so I picked a load of these up. I think they're from eBay. Got loads of like, what are they called? You had like curtains in the window, but they're net curtains.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I bought loads of them to decorate somehow as well, because I think you can find millions of them at charity shops for next to nothing, and you can kind of create the same type of thing. So
what we're going to do with this is wind it around the tree itself.
Yeah.
So we start winding.
Wind it.
Okay.
I'll do wind and I'll have some coffee.
Alright. And watch me winding.
Wind it, wind.
So I'm just literally wrapping it around the trunk. Let's angle you down a tiny bit. I feel like you guys can't see it very well. So we'll just wind that all the way around, and then anything that's sort of left over, we're just going to tuck it into the sack. Okay. Right, so something like that, okay? And then all we're going to do is tie this off down here, and then we'll spread that out. Yeah, do you want to like fluff it out a little bit?
Is that on the top?
Is that full?
Does it not matter?
Oh, what is that?
Oh, that's the top of the... It's like a curtain, isn't it? Or just twist it in. Yeah.
There we go.
Lovely.
Something like that. And then we'll gather this in.
Do you want this twine stuff?
Yes, please. We're just going to go around with some string around the base. These will be perfected in time for the wedding. We're just giving you the ideas today. Kind of experimenting ahead of it, aren't we? Just see how things look.
Like that.
Yeah, whoops. Okay, that's kind of done. So, and the string snapped, to be fair, but hopefully that'll stay in place.
Nice.
There we go. Right, so, just, whoops, done it again. Just rough for now, but it's giving you the idea. And then what we're going to introduce is some of this stuff. Now, where was this from?
Well, I bought some bird cage things full of flowers from Facebook Marketplace. They were £15 for the two. Shall I just show them or not? They're literally there.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll just run over here. And then that was inside one of these bird cages.
Yeah.
But I know where it's from as well. Okay, so these two bird cages for the wedding, they were £15 for the two.
Wow.
They're full of flowers. And these flowers, they're like little roses, aren't they? It's like a little rose garland. That is from the range because I bought one. It's exactly the same.
Okay.
And
how much are we talking for one of those?
I think it's £6.99.
Excellent. To give it an extra bit of dimension.
Yeah.
Whatever that means.
It's lovely.
Yeah. So you can fiddle about with it. Maybe have a bit of the trunk showing or pull that out.
Yeah.
As you wish. And then we'll just tuck the end in down here. Like that. And then we've got one more of these, so just to experiment we thought we would try it in amongst all of this up here, just to see if it adds a bit.
Yeah.
Because, yeah, there we go. On a real rose bush, I feel like the roses would be different sizes.
Yeah.
As they grow.
Yeah, they
so
would be, yeah.
Introducing the little baby ones, weave through it, I feel like it just makes it like a little bit more realistic.
And it makes it look thicker as well.
Yeah, just bulks it out a tiny bit. There we go.
Looks really nice.
You can see that all right. Yeah.
That's
So,
lovely.
it's a bit rough and ready, but we're just giving you the ideas today, so hopefully it'll kind of inspire you to do something similar. But that is roughly now how it's looking.
Yeah.
Just twist that around so you can see the base of it. What do we think?
I love that.
That's an improvement,
yeah,
right?
I absolutely love it.
Yeah.
The thing is, I'm going to want to do all of them. Like, I've got
Yeah.
loads of these. I've
You have
got
to
12 of these.
Get down to the range and get a few more. But I feel like that really
nice.
adds something.
Yeah, it does.
To it.
These bits of ribbon, 25p each from a charity shop.
Very nice.
Yeah.
So what we'll do with that, we'll just add it to the sack. We'll just tie it on down here. Now you can do all sorts of fancy bows, but we'll just do a regular one for today, just to show you, like, roughly speaking,
That's sweet, isn't it?
how that would look. I've just doubled that
Not
around.
too much, do you reckon? I think that's nice.
Let us know what you think. Is a bow too much?
Or would you
just stick with the jute?
Or a bit of lace, or just
A bit of lace
jute.
would be nice, wouldn't it? Yeah. What do you think? I mean, Kate's colours. You've got the peach going on for your theme in your wedding, haven't you?
Yeah.
So yeah, let us know what you think. But yeah, really easy to do.
Okay.
If you've got, whoa, hello there. Good job. There's not real thorns in that. So if you've got celebrations coming up, yeah, something that you could do for that. You know, maybe switch up the colours in it.
Yeah.
Whatever you fancy.
By
But
your
yeah.
door when people come in.
Let us know what you think. Let us know what you think of the ribbon as well. So next up we're going to be making a chalkboard. So we have a thrifted easel. How much was that?
£5
Excellent.
from a charity shop, and I've been looking for one.
Yeah.
And I saw it the other day and I was so happy because obviously you were coming up. I was like, yay! So got it just in time.
And we're going to be using an old painting or an old picture frame. You can get anything you like, but Kate picked this one up. Again, thrifted, right?
Yeah, it was £1.50.
Excellent.
And it's really ruined as well on the corners, so we're not, you know, not ruining a masterpiece.
No.
It says from Dixon's on the back.
All right.
Like.
No, Dixon's did. Yeah, Dixon's of Norwich.
Oh.
Do-it-yourself store and timber supply market. Wow. So back in the day,
How old
you had to get that down in Dixon's when it was a do-it-yourself store. There we go. So this is going to be getting a coat of chalkboard paint, and then we'll be adding some flowers around the edge. But first of all, we'll get it painted. And this is the paint we're using. It's this Johnston's Blackboards paint in black, and it's magnetic, which is really cool. So next up we're just using some hot glue to add some of this eucalyptus and also a few fake flowers as well. The flowers that we've used are these blossom stems. These are £2.29 from the range. And we also picked up some of these hydrangeas as well, and they're from the range too. So there we go. Let us know what you think in the comments. That didn't take long at all, did it?
No, that is just the most beautiful thing.
I'm really pleased with how that's turned out.
And we're like, put that there, that did, and like we took 2 minutes in deciding the flowers, and it's just, I think that's incredible.
So Kate's just told me that this was it £5 you said?
£5 from eBay, including postage, just eucalyptus garland, and it's one of the first that came up, and I think it looks so nice. The green is really good as well. It's a silver green.
Yeah, makes it really, really nice. Hopefully these have inspired you. You could write anything you like on there, of course, so whatever you're celebrating this spring or summer, you can maybe add it to a little party where you are. Over on Kate's channel, we've got a homeware haul, so head over there and we'll be showing you the nice bits that Kate's picked up in the homeware stores recently.
Yeah.
Thanks so much for watching. Do please subscribe if you're new here. If you come over from Kate's channel, then it's great to see you over here as well. Give the video a little thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you soon. Bye.
Bye.
Can we bring that up? Yeah.
Like our friend.
Bring it in. I don't know what that was. Okay, you ready?
Yeah. I'll do a standing DIY.
No, it feels a bit weird, doesn't it?
I
feel like I've got my belly hanging on.
I'm just like this.
Myself.
My hand, what do I do with my hand?
Yeah.
Do you need any help?
I think I'm good. I think it's done. Yeah. I think. I hope you like it.